Hello friends, welcome again back to this channel. How you all doing? Hope you're all doing good, guys. Big thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you guys so much for always coming back, and if you're new here, I also want to say thank you so much, guys. So today I'm going to show you how to make this very beautiful cut together pocket kaftan with this neck design. This one is super easy, super easy. Let's get to it. So here is my print. This is an direct print I'm going to be using, and of course the plain fabric I have here is a satin, and of course my working tools. Yeah, so having my fold now already, cutting for both front and the back. So you can see when I had my fold, what I had there was 22.5. That's the way this direct print comes, with 22.5. So at the edge there, I'm just going to mark 1.5 inches. That's going to represent my slope. Then I'll come to the tip there and mark 3 inches there, okay? Now what I will do now is just to connect these 2 points together to get my slope, as you can see. Then I'm going to go ahead now and get my neck width of 3 inches and the neck depth of 3 inches. Of course, this totally depends on what you want. If you're using a different design, that depends on what you want. So 3 inches by 3 inches, and this is going to serve for the back neckline, okay? Now from that slope now, I'm going to indicate a sleeve opening. I'll be making use of 11 inches. That's what I'll be used for the sleeve opening there. Then I'll go ahead and extend the line, and that will represent my chest line. Then after that, I'll indicate the other vertical lines. From the top there, I'll indicate the waistline at 17 inches. I'll mark that down, and I'll go ahead and get a straight line. Then the next one is going to be the hip line. I'm taking that at 24. I'll mark that down as well, and of course get a straight line. So I'll now use the biggest measurement of the body, which is the hip for me. Then I'll go ahead and divide it into 4. That's 11. I will add 4 inches to it. Then I'll add extra 1 inch for seam allowance, making it 5. So 5 plus 11, that's 16. So this 16 is what I'm going to mark from that chest line to the waistline to the hip line, all the way to the length of this gown, okay? Yeah, so one measurement for all. That's what we're doing here, and you can see this. Then I'll come to that chest line and just create a curve. So this will be my armhole curve. And that's it, guys. We'll have it there. Then the next thing I'll do now is to make my cut together pockets, okay? Now, in between the waistline and hip line, I'm just going to draft out a curve outside, protruding out. You can see from that waistline there, just create a curve, just like you see me doing now, all the way towards the hip line right there. And that's just it, guys, okay? Just create this curve, and we're done. We're done. So this is the cut together pocket. Then for the front neckline, I'm going to make it a V-neck, so I will come down in depth by 7 inches. So still 3 inches in width, but 7 inches in depth. Then I'll go ahead and use my ruler to make the V shape right now. You can see this, guys. And guys, we're done. We're done. The next thing is to go ahead and cut this out. So I'll cut out from the lowest part all the way and through the pockets. Then after that, I'll go through the armhole and of course the slope, guys. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Remember to on your notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload my weekly videos on this channel. Please support this channel, guys. Subscribe. I'll really appreciate this. Share with friends. This will go a long way to help my channel. And here, guys, you can see it's all done. So taking out for the back, so I can now cut out for the front neckline. So cutting out that V shape right now, and we're done. You can see this is quite simple and straightforward. So this is what the back looks like. You can see this, and of course this is what the front looks like. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to draft out my neck design. So this is my print, this is my plain fabric. As you can see, I've gone ahead to iron my interfacing to give this some structure. Now I'm going to fold this into 2. So I'm just going to be drafting this as if I'm cutting out a facing. That's just what I'm doing now. So I'll place this like so, and trace out the shape, because it's the front neckline we're dealing with now. So just arrange this and go ahead and trace out that V shape we've already drafted out. You can see this, and of course towards the shoulder there. Okay, now once I've done that, I'll take this out. Then I'll determine the width. So just following what we have on the thumbnail, I'm making use of 3 inches on that shoulder. You can see me marking that 3 inches right there. then I'll go ahead and take it straight down, okay, straight down. So I'll mark this straight down. You can see from that shoulder what I have is 16 inches. So that's what I'm working with. So yours can be longer or yours can also be shorter depending on the neck design that you want to do. You can just be creative here, okay? Yes, so now I'll mark 16 inches now. Now from that width I've already marked, that 3 inches width, I'll just take it straight down, okay? Yes, once I achieve this, just to give this that V shape at the edge, then at that edge there, I'll come down by 1 inch, okay? So I'll take it from the side and it will give it what, that V shape there. And that's it, guys. So in order to cut this out, I usually like to cut out like 0.5 inches away from that V shape, okay? So it's always good to do this so that, you know, if in case there's any excesses, you can trim it out. So just, you know, discarding the initial line there. Now go ahead now and cut this entire shape out, okay? Yes, guys. So this is it, guys. So once this is done, the next thing, of course, to do now is to go ahead and sew it on my main fabric on the front piece. So once we're done, you can see how beautiful this is looking. Yes, so go ahead and I'll place it on my fabric. It's very, very simple. All I need to do is just to top stitch. Once you arrange it very well, just top stitch all the sides. You can see the way I'm folding it in 0.5 inch inwards. Go ahead and top stitch it all the way and also on the lowest part. Once you're done, you also give this a very good press, okay? Yes, so after that, then I can now use my facing to turn that neckline inwards, okay? And also for the back, I also have the facing. I'll do the same thing. So I'll just go ahead and finish this up, then I'll show you how it looks like. And here, guys, can see after using my facing, this is for the back neckline. I see how this is looking, and of course this is for the front. You can see this. I've gone ahead to turn it all out. You can see how the inside looks like, and so our neck design is in place right now. So we're almost done at this point. We're almost done. The next thing now is to just go ahead and place the back over the front, making sure that the right sides are facing each other. Then I'll go ahead and sew the shoulders. After the shoulders, then I can now hem the sleeve. At this point, you can hem the sleeve all the way. Then after that, just arrange it properly. Then you can now join the sides. So I'll take it now from that sleeve all the way through the armhole, through the pocket, and straight down. And the same thing, of course, on the other side. Then finally, you go ahead and hem the lowest of it all. And guys, this outfit is ready. It's that simple. Trust me, this is very, very simple, guys. And that's it, guys. We've come to the end. Thank you so much for joining me. Hope you find this helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that. Remember also to like and share with friends. I really, really appreciate this, guys, because this will go a long way to help my channel. Thank you so, so much to all my subscribers. Once again, I thank you. And if you're new here also, I say thank you so much. See you on the next one, guys. Have a wonderful day and bye.